Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're starting with freshly washed and detangled hair. I'm going to give Raina a trim. You're going to see me do the LOC method, which is where I do leave-in first, oil, and then a cream to lock in the moisture. And then to finish everything up, I am going to put some plaits in her hair. Okay, so the products that I'm going to be using, I'm going to have a detangling brush, I'm going to have a rat tail comb, and some scissors. They are hair scissors. I don't know, what are they called, shears or something. They are scissors for hair. I made sure to get some of those a while back when I first cut my hair. But so first you're going to see me section her hair, and for that I'm going to do the leave-in conditioner first, and then I'm going to section it. Then I'm going to break those sections down into smaller sections to start to detangle again, just a little more thoroughly before I trim. I also want to say that I don't recommend for anyone to use the rat tail comb unless you are comfortable using the rat tail comb on your child's natural hair. The only reason I'm using it is because I am comfortable using it, and this is one of the only times that I will be using it, just to make sure that everything is evenly detangled before I went in with the trim to trim her hair. And then I also had just previously done a detangling treatment, so I was pretty confident that her hair is pretty detangled. And like I said, this was the last step. I used my fingers first. I used the detangling brush, and pretty sure my fingers again. And you know, I just made sure before I even got to the comb. So just be sure if you're going to make the decision to use a rat tail comb, especially if your child has super coily or kinky or curly hair even. Okay, so as you can see, I'm detangling, I am doing the trim, I'm moisturizing, and I'm putting that section into a plait and moving on. I'm going to go ahead and finish up because there's not much more for me to say. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and if you're interested in our previous video where we detangled Raina's hair in order to prep for this trim, look in the description box. I'll place the link there, and I'll also place the link above. Thank you so much once again for watching. We really appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and leave us a comment. We'd really love to get more questions, and we'd really love to have a chance to answer your questions. Let us know if there are any other videos that you want to see. If you want us to do any styles, we'll be more than happy to attempt, you know, some new things. So yeah, just leave us a comment and let us know, and be sure to tap the bell if you haven't. If you are subscribed, tap the bell if you haven't already. That way you're notified, because we have a lot more content on the way for the year 2020, y'all. We ready. So yes, thank you once again. We really appreciate you for watching. If you are subscribed already, we appreciate you for being a subscriber. Thank you so much, you guys. Bye. So now that we are almost to the end of the video, I'm almost finished with Raina's hair. You can see majority of the plaits are completed, and I just wanted to point out the excess product and let y'all know that no worries if you do the LOC or the LCO method and you use a lot of product, because I am pretty heavy-handed. So if you're anything like me and your kid's hair is looking like this, as long as you let the hair dry completely, it's going to dry down clear. You won't have any issues. The hair should be very defined. You know, if you're going to do a braid out or a twist out, either or, it's going to dry down fine. It's not going to be any flakes or anything. And you can also go over this with a light layer of oil too, just to help to make sure that it doesn't get complete like too dry, like maybe the products don't work for you or whatever the case might be. Sometimes a light oil could help with that, to just make sure that there are no flakes if your hair does get dry. But if you're using the right method, your hair shouldn't be super dry, and it should be, you know, you should still have moisture once you take, you know, during the takedown. But yeah, I just wanted to ensure that you all knew that this was going to dry down clear and there weren't going to be any flakes or anything. But leave us a comment. We would love to know if you style you or your child's hair wet or dry. I know there are many different ways and different benefits, so let us know down below which one works for you and your family. Okay, y'all, bye.